Hello everyone, and welcome back to Maya's Cuisine. Today's dish is one of the simplest and most satisfying recipe you can make. So stay tuned as I walk you through it step by step. To make the rice recipe, we'll need salt, black pepper, red bell peppers, diced or chopped, fresh cilantro, some cooking oil. You can use vegetable or olive oil. I'm using canned corn, but you can use fresh corn as well, and some leftover rice. It's better to use leftover rice than freshly cooked rice. Heat some oil on medium-high heat, then sauté the red bell peppers for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add the corn to the pan and sauté the mixture for another 7 to 10 minutes. Season the mixture with salt and pepper, stirring occasionally. Once the red bell peppers and corn are sautéed, add the leftover rice to the pan and stir to combine. Season again with salt and pepper to taste. To ensure the rice heats evenly, continue stirring and gently break up any clumps for thorough cooking. Reduce the heat to medium-low and cook the rice for 7 to 10 minutes. During this time, be sure to stir the rice occasionally and cover the pot intermittently to help it steam evenly. Once the rice is cooked, finish the dish by adding the chopped cilantro and stirring until everything is combined. And there you have it, a colorful, vibrant rice dish that's as delightful to eat as it is to look at. It pairs beautifully with any protein of your choice or can be enjoyed all on its own. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. To make the chicken recipe, we will need red bell peppers, some cooking oil. I'm using frozen vegetables, but you can use fresh vegetables as well. Some whipping cream, chicken thighs or breast, salt, and black pepper. Alright, let's get started with the cooking. Heat some oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Then, add the red bell peppers and sauté until slightly softened. Then add the frozen vegetables. If pre-thawed, they'll cook quickly. Otherwise, rinse and add them directly to the pan. Let them soften naturally, stirring gently and covering the pot occasionally. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Halfway through cooking, season with salt and black pepper to taste. Continue stirring and covering the pot from time to time to ensure even cooking. Once the vegetables are cooked to your liking, transfer them to a dish and add a bit more oil to the same pan to cook the chicken. Start by sautéing the garlic until golden brown. Then, Add the chicken to the pan, season with salt and pepper, and mix thoroughly to combine. Cover the pan and allow the chicken to release its natural juices. After a few minutes, uncover and stir the chicken into its own gravy. Continue cooking until the chicken is fully cooked and the gravy has reduced. Next, add some whipping cream to the chicken. For a richer, creamier gravy, feel free to add more. Then, return the cooked vegetables to the pan and stir them into the mixture until well combined. And there you have it. Beautiful, colorful dish that's as visually appealing as it is delicious and nutritious. Now let's plate it up. Start with the rice and then the chicken. While you can add a side salad, the dish already packs plenty of vegetables. It's a hearty, healthy, and effortless meal perfect for busy weekdays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.